It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Terrain Denali. Let's take a look inside the front of the Terrain. On the driver's door, we've got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors. We've got our child lock button, an auto express window, the power liftgate, and this Terrain comes with a premium Bose sound system. Here we have our power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. And the Terrain also comes with the programmable memory seat. Up above, we've got the power moonroof. Next, I'll climb right in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side of the steering wheel, we've got our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. On the right side, we've got our audio buttons. Here we have the digital dash. We can scroll through the dash by pushing the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, we've got the programmable garage door opener, the power moonroof buttons, and OnStar. Here we have GMC's infotainment center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature and the time. It also has navigation, and this screen doubles as our backup camera. We've got various camera views, so we can change the view by pushing the buttons located at the bottom of the screen. Here we have the push start button, dual climate control with air conditioning. We've got our park reverse drive buttons, some USB and power plug-ins. We've got park assist and self-park, heated and cooled front leather seats, lane departure alert, hill descent control, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, off-road mode, and trailer mode. Here we have the wireless charging pocket. Place your phone in the charging pocket and it will charge your phone for you. Inside the center console, it's quite deep and spacious. We've got a light in there as well as two USB plug-ins. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille. Embedded in the front grille is our front camera. We've got fog lights down below, 19-inch wheels, a 2-liter turbo engine under the hood. The side mirrors have our side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator. We've got roof rails up top. The rear windows are tinted. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors for you. As we make our way to the very back, we've got the rear window wiper and washer. We've also got a power lift gate, so we can pop that open with the push of a button. In the back of the Terrain, we've got the levers to fold those rear seats down, a power plug-in, cargo hooks, and we also have a storage compartment located down below. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. On the passenger door, we've got power windows. On the backs of both front seats, we've got seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got our rear heated seat buttons, 2 USB plug-ins, and a 120-volt power plug-in. The center seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. And we can fold our rear seats down with ease by pulling the lever located at the top of the seat for those longer, larger items we'd like to stow away in the back. So come take a look at this 2020 GMC Terrain Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.